Here at the church. Memorial Day, sunset.
0 feet altitude, 7 feet distance, 8 miles per hour, 99% battery.
Get me a focus point. Looks good. Start mission. This is the mission. It's going to go down over the park and back. Just wanted to get up and get a flight in. I haven't flown in a couple of days because it's been kind of windy.
$399 feet altitude, 69 feet distance, 12 miles per hour, 95% battery.
Gotta kind of keep an eye on this one. We gotta watch the speed going out because it's a little breezy. It's not bad, but I feel a breeze and I don't want it to get stuck in the air on the way back, or it won't. I think it'll be fine. It's not that windy, but over here I do lose connection for a couple minutes, about a minute. This is my favorite time to fly, the sunset.
$399 feet altitude, 1,563 feet distance, 19 miles per hour, 91% battery.
Good speed going out. Question is the speed coming back after the turn. And I do lose connection on this one for, like I said, about a minute when it goes around the park. Pretty good speed. Signal's getting sketchy.
Warning, disconnected.
Well, that didn't take long. Now I'm flying blind and I can't see where the camera's pointed. I'm using my phone today. I'm iPadless. I sold the last good one that I had repaired. I'm having trouble with this other one that I got. Apparently there's something hardware wrong with I think it's the screen. Because every time I put the battery in, it says battery not charging. Battery doesn't charge. It's acting stupid.
Warning, disconnected.
Shouldn't be disconnected too long. The wind is calm right now. Well, it's moving a little. We got the GPS on board. I didn't really feel like going far, so I just came to the church to do this one. Should come back in a minute or two.
Warning, disconnected. (399 feet altitude, 2,463 feet distance, 17 miles per hour, 89% battery).
Yeah, I made that pretty good. Like I said, the only thing that sucks is I don't know what the camera is looking at. Good speed, 24 miles an hour. At least I know here I'm fully in control. I won't lose connection.
399 feet altitude, 655 feet distance, 8 miles per hour, 72% battery.
Flying into the wind now. Good battery, good numbers, good numbers. Went away from the sun. There's me at the church, right in the center of the screen. As the sun is setting.
400 feet altitude, 1,164 feet distance, 13 miles per hour, 68% battery.
It's gonna go down, where is it? Down near Curtis and back. It's flying into the wind. 8 miles an hour, but I got plenty of battery. Good numbers. And I can get back fast, not fist. I'm flying
400 feet altitude, 2,042 feet distance, 10 miles per hour,
8 minutes.
64% battery.
Me and the boy repaired the car yesterday. We had to put rear rotors on. New brakes, rotors in the back. We got rotors for the front, but we don't need to put them on yet. He was like being lazy today. He didn't feel like doing anything. So we didn't do the front brakes yet. But we don't really need to. It'll pass inspection now. We had to get new tires too. And the sun is going down.
(399 feet altitude, 2,986 feet distance, 15 miles per hour, 59% battery).
Yeah, I don't know exactly what's wrong with this iPad that I got working on now. I bought one battery, I put it in there, and it wasn't charging, so I kind of assumed that, oh, it's a faulty battery. I sent that one back, and then I ordered another one, and I put another battery in, the same thing. And I hate when that happens, because I'm like sending the thing back and there's nothing wrong with it, but you don't know. So they took it back, and I put another battery in and the same thing, so that leaves it now down to it's probably something to do with the screen, because There's a couple of parts on there. There's the button sensor for the touch sensor. There's the wake sleep switch on the screens. And if there's something wrong with the screen, it could be a little tiny tear or something.
399 feet altitude, 4,288 feet distance, 18 miles per hour, 55% battery.
The iPad it just won't behave right, and that's what it's doing now. So I don't know what the fuck's wrong with it. I hate to have to buy another screen because they're like fucking $70, but I might have to. I might try just to get another battery one more time just to rule it out. And if this one doesn't work, I won't like use the Stickum stuff. I'll just put it in and see if it charges, because it's always possible it is the battery, but I'm pretty sure it's the screen itself, because the wake button doesn't work, and I bought a new wake button and soldered it on and it still didn't work. So it's probably a hardware problem, and the hardware, everything, it's just two sections. It's the motherboard and the back.
399 feet altitude, 3,926 feet distance, 25 miles per hour, 51% battery.
The motherboard, and then it's a second assembly, just the screen, and the screen is welded to the digitizer. It's not like the old ones where they're separate. You have to change the whole thing. And I just heard a gun go off. Which is not unusual out here. That's better. It's tough this time of day with the sun.
399 feet altitude, 2,278 feet distance, 25 miles per hour, 45% battery.
Great numbers. Yeah, I got some speed now. It's cooking. 26 miles an hour. That went pretty well.
(399 feet altitude, 1,134 feet distance, 25 miles per hour, 41% battery).
Looks like the diner's still open. I was thinking about ordering a takeout. I don't know, there's not a lot of cars there. There's hardly any cars there. On the way back now. Pretty quiet night, Memorial Day.
399 feet altitude, 1,562 feet distance, 13 miles per hour, 37% battery.
Come back. Sun is setting. It's getting dark out.
Mission ended. 399 feet altitude. 369 feet distance. 26 miles per hour. 32% battery.
Go around the tower and back. Bring it home. You just hear it ripping over my head. Flying into the wind.
Warning, aircraft battery at 25%. 399 feet altitude. 1952 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 23% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 22%. Warning, aircraft battery at 19%. 241 feet altitude. 383 feet distance. 22 miles per hour. 19% battery.
There he is. Johnny on the spot.
Warning, aircraft battery at 16%.
Coming down like a good little soldier. That's a good spot to land.
Warning, aircraft battery at 14%. 3 feet altitude. 8 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 14% battery.
Yeah, very nice flight. Yep. How long was that? 18 minutes, 42 seconds. And just in time, the sun is set. And I'm out of here. B-Dub out.